Okay. One function of ER is to serve as a channel for the transport of material, specifically protein, within various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The ER also functions as the cytoplasmic framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. In the liver cell, the group of animals called vertebrates, we see in chapter 7, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum play a crucial role for detoxifying many poisonous and drugs. Okay, so you need to read this paragraph. Okay, this endoplasmic paragraph, which is topic number 5.2.5, first ER. Okay, first you need to read this topic, this whole paragraph including this figure. Okay, and also this little paragraph in next page. Okay, read twice, make a notes, and refer previous lecture if any confusion is going on. Let us move to another cell organelles, which is Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus, first described by Camino Golgi. That's why their name is Golgi apparatus. It consists of a system of membrane-bounded vessels, flattened sacs, arranged approximately parallel to each other. One sac, one sac, one sac. Each sac are in parallel, okay, in a combination. And they are said to be cisterns. Cisterns means bag, carry bag, okay, that contains something, that stores something, okay. Like water tank, okay. These membranes often have a connection with the membrane of ER and therefore constitute another portion of the complex cellular membrane system. So this Golgi apparatus connected with endoplasmic reticulum. We know that endoplasmic reticulum produces protein, enzyme, hormone, even fat also, okay, and these all things are packed, dispatched in Golgi apparatus. The material synthesized near the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, is packed, dispatched to the various targeted inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Its function include the storage, modification and packaging of the product in the vessels. Okay, in some cases complex sugar may be made from the simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus, and the Golgi apparatus is also involved in a formation of lysosomes. Okay, so lysosomes is another topic. Let us see what is lysosomes, but basically we have to summarize this Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is firstly described by Camino Golgi, okay, and it is all about a cistern. It is all about a storage tank in which whatever the materials produced by endoplasmic reticulum that transfer to Golgi apparatus, and Golgi apparatus store it, modify it, okay, pack it, okay, and also send to each and every part of the cell, inside the cell and outside the cell. Okay, so these are the function of Golgi apparatus. I hope you understand, and please make notes of these all cell organelles today, right now, while watching your video. Let us move to another topic, which is lysosomes. Structurally, lysosomes are the membrane bounded sac filled in a digestive enzyme. These enzymes are made up of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes are the kind of waste disposal system of the cell. So basically, it is waste disposal of waste by lysosomes. This is help to keep the cell clean. If you dispose your waste of your house, anything, they are said to be cleaning agent. Okay, so basically this is cleaning agent of the plant. Okay, so that keep the cell clean and digesting any foreign materials that open the bond out the cell organelles. Foreign material entering in the cell such as the bacteria or food, as well as the old organelles into the lysosomes, which break complex substance into the simpler substance. Okay, so lysosomes are basically dispose all the waste product and also synthesize also synthesize all those foreign materials like bacteria or food which come from outside, okay, that break down into complex substance, sorry, from complex substance into simpler substance. Lysosomes are able to do this because it contain powerful digestive enzyme, okay. In our stomach, hydrochloric acid are there. That hydrochloric acid unable to digest anything, apple, milk, anything whatever we take as a food. Similarly, that lysosomes having digestive enzyme that capable to break down all the organic substance into simpler substance. I repeat, foreign material entering in the cell, such as bacteria or food as well as old organelles, end up in the lysosomes, which break down from complex to simple. How it is possible by lysosomes? Because lysosomes are able to do this because they contain powerful digestive enzymes that are capable to breaking down these all organic material into simpler material. During the undisturbance of the cellular metabolism, for example, all the cell get damaged, lysosomes may burst and that enzymes digested in their own cell, and therefore it is said to be suicide bag of the cell. So lysosomes are also known as suicide bag of cell, because when cell get damaged, whenever cell get damaged, okay, lysosomes may burst and the enzyme digested their own cell, okay, and therefore it is said to be suicidal bag, okay, because this bag is started to digested their own cell when cell get damaged and the lysosomes may burst, okay. So this is all about lysosomes, okay. I hope you understand these all cell organelles, okay. So today I stop at this moment, okay. You need to write down about these three cell organelles which we done during this two lectures, okay. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. In next lecture we talk about mitochondria, plastids and vacuoles, okay. So one thing that is most important that I want to tell you, please focus on those chapters which we already finished. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 8, because these all completed chapters will come in your upcoming examination. Please read twice. Please revise all the lectures once again, because if your preparation is good, then you obtain good marks in your examination. I hope you already made your notes. You already remember all the important terms, whatever I taught you during online classes. Please start revision. Continue your self-study. Improve the duration of self-study. Increase the time duration, and I hope your preparation is good and you obtain good mark in your examination. Thank you.